Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that why we psychologically forced to learn the English language, because if we are not interested to learn English language, but when we see the environment around us and we see everything that there are so many people those are learning English language and they are given much priority or importance, and psychologically we are forced to learn English language. Although directly no one is asking us to learn English language, but psychologically they are creating the environment that is forcing us to learn English language. What are the reason? Because when we see that most of the stuff on social media is in English language, most of the jobs opportunities are available for those who know the English language. Most of the people, those are willing to travel abroad, if they know the English language, they can get the better opportunities. And when we see people doing great jobs in abroad, and we see that they are good in English language, we are forced to learn English language. By learning English language, one can progress or not. I think that for progress, English is not necessary. Language is not necessary. You can progress even if you know only your national language. But if you want to promote yourself on international level, you want to progress yourself on high level, then this language is necessary. Otherwise, I think that for doing great job, it does not necessary for a person to know the English language if you are willing to do your job in your own country, and if you are willing to get some kinds of job where the English is mandatory, then English is necessary to learn. And for learning English language, we are forcing ourselves. We are not interested, but we are forcing ourselves that after learning this language, we will get the job. Just for getting the job, we are forcing ourselves. Not, don't force yourself to get the job. Learn English by interest. Enjoy while learning the English language. Don't force your mind. When you will force yourself to learn English language, then you will feel exhausted. Your mind will not work properly. Only you will learn English language when you find good environment around yourself, and when you feel enjoyment while learning the English language. So I think that if you want to promote yourself or your business, or if you are willing to travel around the world, because some people are interested to travel. If you have the money, you want to travel around the world, and you want to know about different cultures, different countries, different territories, different religions, then English is necessary for you to learn this language. And as when you will travel around, you will find lot of people, so many people, those know the English language. With them you can communicate, because this is the I think that language of which makes the bridge between two nationalities. If you know the English language, the other person know the English language, you both can communicate with each other. Your national language is different, other person national language is different, but you both know the English language. You can get help from this language, and you can communicate lot of things about yourself. If you are willing to do business in non-native English speaking countries, you can communicate with those people through English language, because you don't know the national language of that country, and only language is the English. With the help of this language, you can communicate, you can deal with other tycoons, businessmen there. So I think that English is the international language, and don't force yourself to learn English language. If you are interested in, you want to improve yourself, you want to grow your talent on international level, then start learning this language. And I think that if you are interested, you can learn English language after some year. Some people are claiming that you can learn English language in 1 month. It is not correct. The correct and right thing is that you can improve yourself in some years. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.